Let's update on my Star-Lord nerf blaster. I've got sound wired in as well as the light. Also got 3D printed parts made up and sent. Not quite all finished yet in detail, but I've got all the stuff wired in, already wired in. You pull the bottom trigger. Not easy one-handed. It's easy when you can hold all the parts in place. There you go. It lights up. Blue inside the barrel as well. And when you pull the top trigger, they both make different sounds. One's a taser and one's a blaster. Works better when it's all together. Just showing the wiring. Soundboard at the moment is running off 3 1.5 volt batteries. Not a lot I could do about that, because every time I try wiring that 9 volt up, even with resistor, it kept burning out. And I kept this a USB so I can change. I'll take this end off, I can change, connecting the USB, what sounds I want. I fancy changing the sounds. I also have these on the back that I'm going to put on. Play 40 seconds of each, just something different. That's it for now. I'll put it all together and see what it looks like. We haven't got this part to go on, so you can see another 3D printed part that the lights fit into.